In this video, we'll explore how to generate strong random passwords using the Linux command line. While there are several tools available for this, we'll focus on two: OpenSSL and Pwgen. OpenSSL is installed by default on most Linux systems. However, Pwgen will need to be installed manually. To generate a password with OpenSSL, type OpenSSL rand -base64, followed by the number of bytes. However, the number of bytes is not the same as the length of the password. What happens is that OpenSSL generates 4 characters for every 3 bytes. For example, if you specify a number between 1 and 3, it will generate a password with 4 characters. If you specify a number between 4 and 6, it will generate a password with 8 characters. If you want the exact number of characters as specified, pipe the OpenSSL command to the head command and use the -c option with the desired number. OpenSSL isn't the most user-friendly option for generating strong random passwords. Instead, use Pwgen. On Debian and Ubuntu-based systems, you can install it with apt-install Pwgen. For Fedora, CentOS, or Red Hat, use the dnf install Pwgen command. To generate a password, type Pwgen, followed by the number of characters, and then the number of passwords you want. For example, specifying 8 and 1 will generate one password with 8 characters. There are a few command options to make the password stronger. Use -c to include at least one uppercase letter, -n to include at least one number, and -y if you want to include symbols. That concludes this video on generating passwords in Linux. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.